द वर्ल्ड इज़ हियर एंड वेयर आर यू। सही कहा था किसी ने। मैं जा रही हूँ एक और इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप पे, जहाँ सब जा रहे हैं आजकल। तो ये प्लेस है बहुत ही स्पेशल, एंड यहाँ पे मैं बहुत सारे स्पेशल लोगों के साथ जा रही हूँ। सो आई एम गोइंग टू वियतनाम विद माई फ्रेंड्स। सो वियतनाम के लिए हमने इंडिगो की फ़्लाइट्स बुक की हैं। मेरे फ्रेंड्स आ रहे हैं दिल्ली से और मैं जा रही हूँ बैंगलोर से। सो मेरी फ़्लाइट है 5:30 की फ्रॉम बैंगलोर टू कोलकाता, एंड फ्रॉम कोलकाता मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुझे ज्वाइन करेंगे एंड हम सब मिलके इंडिगो की फ़्लाइट में हनोई जाएंगे, द कैपिटल ऑफ वियतनाम। सो चलिए जल्दी से एयरपोर्ट चलते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, एयरपोर्ट पहुँचते ही सबसे पहले मैंने अपना लगेज बुक करा दिया हनोई तक, बिकॉज बोथ द फ्लाइट्स वर ऑफ इंडिगो, एंड देन मैं चली गई 080 लाउंज। सो राइट नाउ आई एम एट द 080 लाउंज एंड आई हैव टिकट द बोर्डिंग पासेस फॉर बोथ द फ्लाइट्स एंड वेटिंग फॉर माई कोलकाता फ्लाइट, एंड फ्रॉम देयर ऑन we'll have immigration and we'll catch the Hanoi flight. Anyways, I just needed to relax, have some snacks and then some coffee and then board my Kolkata flight. And once I'm in Kolkata, I'll really have to hurry up because I have around 2 hours layover, less than 2 hours, and I will be running to catch the flight to Hanoi. So for a change, I got myself some mango lassi, very refreshing. You know, I can see मेरी फ़्लाइट का कब बोर्डिंग टाइम स्टार्ट होगा और मैं फिर निकल जाऊँगी यहाँ से। सो द लाउंज इज़ बेसिकली वेरी क्राउडेड, नहीं तो मैं आपको दिखा देती। और चलिए अब थोड़ा और वेट करते हैं और फिर अपनी फ़्लाइट पकड़ते हैं टू कोलकाता। वैसे अब चलते हैं बोर्डिंग के लिए एंड तब मैं आपको मिलती फ़्लाइट में। So my first flight for Kolkata got a little delayed. It was half an hour late and I was a little worried because the next flight was after 2 hours and I had to go through the immigration and also security. And my next connecting flight was also of Indigo. So I was sure that they would not leave me back at Kolkata. So we reached Kolkata at 9 p.m. and I had only 1 hour to board my next flight. So guys, my flight got delayed and now we are going to Hanoi. I have to run and reach. There is only an hour left, so I'll have to hurry up. Luckily all the things went off smoothly and the immigration was done fast and the Indigo people helped us to board. हनोई का ट्रिप स्टार्ट हो गया है एंड अभी वी आर गोइंग टू कैच आवर फ्लाइट फ्रॉम कोलकाता टू हनोई, एंड चलिए मिलते हैं हनोई पहुंच के। सो माई नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट टू हनोई वॉज ऑफ 3 hours and we were going to reach around 2:30 Hanoi time. Since there was not much to see out and there were 3 hours, I utilized these 3 hours to sleep and rest before reaching Hanoi. Reached Hanoi. The Hanoi airport was completely empty. I think that time only our flight had come and all the shops were closed and most of the things were in the Vietnamese language, so it was difficult to read it. Luckily our guide came on time and then took us to the hotel. Could you some information for Hanoi city or for the tour? So here's our room. We have a small tea coffee station, sofas, bed and a table and also a TV. अच्छा लाइट वाइट लगी हुई है इसके अंदर भी पर्स रख सकते हैं ना। and ये अच्छा all this is chargeable. हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू हनोई। आज हमारा फर्स्ट डे है और आज हम जा रहे हैं साइट सीइंग के लिए। वी रीच अर्ली मॉर्निंग अराउंड 2 AM हनोई टाइम, एंड उसके बाद हम होटल आए विच वॉज अराउंड 45 मिनट्स। आके वी जस्ट चेक्ड इन एंड रिलैक्स इन आवर रूम, ब्रेकफास्ट खाने गए एंड देन अगेन स्लेप्ट. So now we are ready for the local tour of Hanoi. So today we are going to visit the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum and also the 36 streets, and also we are going to see the lake, very famous lake here, and along with that we might also go to the cathedral and the train street. Let's see whether the weather permits, because यहाँ सुबह से बारिश हो रही है. Anyway, जितना देख पाएंगे I will share it with you. So let's go and explore Hanoi. We are at Hanoi Tokyo Hotel, and it's a very nice hotel and situated in the center of the city. Let me show you. Hanoi Tokyo Hotel. It's been raining and very nice Victorian style houses. Once our guide arrived, he took us in a nice air-conditioned vehicle and took us around the streets of Hanoi. Old French houses. St. Paul's Emergency Center. So our first pit stop was the President Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, where the body of Ho Chi Minh is kept, but it is only open in the morning time, and Mondays it is closed. So we are in the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, and this is the place where they've kept the body of Ho Chi Minh. So in case you want to go inside, you'd have to come here in the morning. So guys, right now we are at the mausoleum, and यहाँ पे हो ची मिन की body है. In case you want to see the body, you should come in the morning. Right now it's closed, and the personal belongings भी हैं. तो अभी हम और सब discover करते हैं यहाँ पे. House like the White House in US. So after visiting the mausoleum, we went to the presidential palace and the palace grounds. You can go around the palace grounds, but you cannot go in the main building. There is a museum there which holds all the things used by Ho Chi Minh, and the different rooms where he stayed. Ho Chi Minh House. So Ho Chi Minh loved the nature. He refused to stay in the presidential palace and asked his comrades to build a simple stilt house near his favorite pond, and where he would stay and hold all the meetings. So upper part of the stilt house has 2 rooms where he stayed, and the lower part is where all the meetings were held, and this is the official area where he would meet people. So this is the Ho Chi Minh House Museum. Pomelo. Something like lemon. Tree trees. Okay. And this is the big one. So it's a beautiful house dedicated to Ho Chi Minh. As you move out of this complex, you will see a lot of shops here, a lot of souvenir shops and different items which can be gifted to family and friends. Back side of the gate. Some shops here. You want to buy? Gift shops here. And then we walk towards the one pillar pagoda, a Buddhist temple. It's a one pillar pagoda. It's built on a pillar. So beautiful the pagoda is that, you know, the king didn't have a child, and as soon as they built the pagoda, they had a child. Finished the mausoleum and we are walking towards the electric car, and we will take electric car for the 36th Street or the old quarters. Vehicles we are going to take to the 36th Street. We are going to the old market to buy things. Local market of Hanoi. बैग्स सब कुछ है यहाँ पे, है ना? How much is this one? So after visiting the local market, we are going to take an electric car and going to visit the 36th Street. And each street is named after the things which are sold. So where is that is a vehicle? Okay. Tourism. Okay. Safari. So yeah, right now we are going to the 36 streets now. The streets, Silver Street. Oh. This is lamps. Wow. Old quarters, Vietnam. Coconut sweet. This is a vegetable market, huh? Such beautiful flowers, no?
Lovely, early.
Oh, wow.
Look at this, I like.
Very old shops, I know. There's so many cafes also on the way, na? So beautiful, na? Cafes. Oh, green taxi. This is a temple. Each street. Grocery. Yeah. And they also have some cafes. This looks like a shoe street. Hang back the Silver Street. Items. Lace market, no? Zippers, laces. What is this, no? Food sellers, huh? They're all sleeping, yeah? All the rickshaw sellers are sleeping.
So after the tour of the old quarters, 36 streets, our electric car driver got us to Hoan Kim Lake or the Swords Lake.
Beautiful. So we are right now at the walking street, and we just visited the 36 streets, each street named after the things which are sold there. And now we will be going to the Cathedral. Walking street.
And don't miss that Kong Cafe.
We are at the big church, Hanoi, and in Vietnam there are around 80% Buddhists and 15% Christians and 5% other religions. Let me show you the church.
inside? We can go inside.
Yeah.
The train street.
So after the train street, we went and exchanged some currency and then went back to our hotel because the next day our Ninbin trip was planned, which was going to be a long, hectic day. At night, we went and had dinner at Namaste India, which was very near our hotel. So in my next trip, I'll be taking you to Ninbin, the UNESCO World Heritage Site,